Hey guys, this is Miss Woods. I'm going to be going over Thursday for the ratio recipe project. Bear with me because my voice is going a little bit in and out, so hopefully my voice can hold off for this video. So the first thing, this is Thursday's assignment. Today's task is we are trying to find the cost of each ingredient, assuming you have no ingredients on hand except for water. List individual cost of the ingredient in the table, determine the total cost, and the cost per serving. So what it means when we say assuming you have no ingredients on hand, if you have a recipe that calls for a half cup of milk, you can't just go to the store and get a half cup of milk. You have to buy a full gallon. So that's what we mean by that. I'm going to make it a little bit easier on myself because we have to list our items here, what we need from the store. And I'm going to go ahead and go to, you can really go to Wednesday, Tuesday, either day. And I'm going to copy my ingredients. And then I'm going to paste them over here. Now, you might notice, you might have to mess around with some of these because apparently we didn't have enough rows on there, but I'll get that fixed here in a second. Okay, so I have to go to a website. If you want to use Walmart.com or a different grocery store, that's perfectly fine, but me and Miss Gross have on the slide Kroger.com for you guys, so that is where I'm going to go first. So the first thing on my list was salted butter. I'm not going to go over every single one of these. I'm just going to go over a couple because I don't want to take up your all's time because I think you'll kind of get the point once I go over one or two items. So I'm going to type in salted butter and see what comes up. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do what I normally do when I go to Kroger and get this one right here. So this is $4.19. It comes with 4 sticks of butter, and I know I probably won't need that much, but normally you won't find like 2 sticks of butter. Normally it comes in 4. So I'm going to go ahead and go with this one. So I'm going to go back to my slide, and I'm going to go ahead and put in the price, which is $4.19. And then I'm going to come over here, the size. I can say, I think it was 16 ounces. I can say 16 ounces. You could put 4 sticks of butter, whatever it is. The main reason for this column is we want to make sure, like when you're choosing, for instance, the next one's sugar, that you are not choosing like a 20-pound bag of sugar that's like a crazy amount of money. That's why we have the size over here, just so that it's there to kind of help us spot those different things out. Okay, so the next one is white sugar. And honestly, you could probably just put sugar in here and it's going to come up. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and go with this one. Now, you'll notice a lot of these, there's like a 2-pound, there's a 4-pound. I'm going to just go with the one I normally purchase anyway. So this one over here, $3.49. It's 4 pounds. Obviously, I'm not going to need all that, but I have to purchase that to use any of the sugar. So $3.49. Before I forget that, I'm going to type that in. And then, man, I'm having trouble typing today. And then the size was a 4-pound bag, okay? So I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to fill the rest of these out really quick. And then I will come back and we will talk about the total cost and the cost per serving. All right, guys, I am back and I have got my prices for each item. And I also kind of made these, the text in these 2 columns a little bit smaller so that I could fit everything on the orange and you could see it a little bit better. So I've got all of my sizes of every item, the price of each item. So my next step is going to be taking everything in this column, so all these prices, and adding them together. So I'm going to add all those together, and when I do that, I end up getting $28.51. So that is my total cost for making this recipe. So $28.51. The next thing, cost per serving. So we know the total cost. So remember, per means that we're going to be dividing and we're going to be dividing in this case by the serving. So my serving is my serving size of the recipe. You all typed that into your Monday slide. So I'm going to go back to my Monday slide, and I typed in 12, so that's my serving. So then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to type it out for you all just to make sure everybody understands, but you all don't have to do this step. You can just write the amount. So $28.51, and I'm going to divide that by 12. When I do that, that ends up giving me $2. It's like, here, let me type it out here for you all. So it ends up giving me a long number. So 2.3758, and then it's like a 3 repeating, okay? Let me delete that one so you can see it. Okay, so this is what I end up getting when I calculate $28.51 divided by 12. So I'm going to go ahead and round to where I have my nearest cent, because that's how you do your money. So I only have 2 numbers after the decimal. So I'm going to go ahead and look at this number, my 5. So since it's a 5 or above, that means it'll round this 7 up. So this will end up being $2.38. So I'm going to delete that, put that in. I'm going to go ahead and delete what I have in front, because I was just doing that to make sure you all understood what I was calculating there. All right, so my cost per serving is $2.38. So what that means is for me to make this recipe, it's going to cost me $28.51. For each cookie, after I've purchased all these things, it will be $2.38 per cookie to make it. So if you all have any questions, let me or Miss Gross know, and I will see you on our next day slide. Have a great day.